Hi, I'm David with Access Real Estate Services. Access Real Estate Services has been serving Bellingham and the surrounding area since 2010. I'm here today to give you a little bit of help with handling those after-hour emergencies that happen from time to time when you own rental property. The first thing we recommend is that you clearly identify what you consider an emergency. True emergencies generally fall into one of two categories. The situation poses a threat to the property, or the situation is eminently hazardous to your tenants. We recommend responding to the following items right away, at minimum. Any substantial water leak that can't be stopped, any penetration of the building by trees or other things caused by wind events or vandalism, no heat during cold winter months, a clogged toilet when that toilet is the only toilet in a home, and any time the tenant reports a fire. The next thing we recommend is that you identify key vendors ahead of time. We recommend that you identify a good handyman, a good roof repair person, a good plumber, and a good electrician who are all willing to work after hours for you, because we all know that those little emergencies never occur Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. This way you'll be well prepared when that phone rings at 3 a.m. Another thing we recommend is following up with tenants anytime there's been after hours repair work at your property to ensure that the work has actually been done. Another thing we recommend is charge your tenants for damages when they're the cause of the problem. Sometimes tenants stuff little things in toilets that don't belong there, or things in sinks, or garbage disposals that cause the water leak in the first place. In those situations, it's perfectly legitimate for you to charge the tenants for the repair work. Lastly, if you own more than a few properties, you may want to consider using an after-hours call service. After-hours call services can help you pre-screen calls, and they can also activate your vendors at times. This way, you'll minimize the amount of time you spend responding to those little emergencies in the middle of the night. These are just a few tips on how to handle after-hours emergencies. For more information on this topic or anything property management, please give Access Real Estate Services a call or contact us right here via our website. That's all for this time. Thank you for tuning in. I'm David, and I'll see you next time.